Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Here's a short video on the 62 Cadillac build I did just recently. Here the body is in the raw resin. It's a real clean casting. I'm going to scrub it down and get it in primer. Then I'm going to wet sand that down and spray my sealer. The sealer is going to be a real dark shade, not quite black, but a really dark gray like charcoal. To mix up my paint color, I'm using Createx. I'm starting with the Createx Pearl Blue, and I'm going to darken it up a little bit with the transparent black. I'm going to add some of the silver pearl, and then for tinting, I'm going to be using the transparent white and the transparent blue to get it to the shade that I'm happy with. And then I'm using the 40-30 for a binder. Alright, here it is. It's been painted, cleared, wet sanded, and buffed, and next is bare metal foil. The bare metal foil work went real smooth, it turned out good, and I'm moving on to the interior. I did the interior in gray and shaded all the edges to give it that realistic leather look. Next, I installed the glass and made a headliner to match the interior. Then I moved on to detailing out the bumpers. Here's the before and after. I glued the interior into the body, I built the chassis, put the wheels on, and screwed it all together. Here's the end result. Well, that's all I got for you guys today, but I do want to say thank you to all you guys that watch my videos. I have a lot more coming up, so stay tuned. Until next time.